Welcome to the Learner's Vocabulary section. In this lesson, you will learn important English words with their meanings and examples. Practice them regularly to improve your speaking and understanding skills.
Bear, beaver, bison, buck, buffalo, bull, bullock, camel, cow, deer, dog, donkey, elephant, fox, giraffe, goat, gorilla, hare, hog, horse, hound, jackal, cat, lamp, zebra, leopard, lion, mongoose, monkey, otter, ox, panther, rat, squirrel, wolf, ass, chimpanzee, hippopotamus, pig, crocodile.
Thank you for patiently viewing all the slides. We've included the content along with meanings in your local language to support your understanding. Please take the time to review the written material on your own to strengthen your learning.
கரடி, முள்ளெலி, காட்டு எருமை, ஆண்மான், எருமை மாடு, காளை, ஒட்டகம், பசு, மான், நாய், கழுதை, யானை, நரி, ஒட்டகச் சிவிங்கி, வெள்ளாடு, மனிதகுரங்கு, முயல், காட்டுப்பன்றி, குதிரை, வேட்டை நாய், நரி, பூனை, செம்மறி ஆடு, வரிக்குதிரை, சிறுதை புலி, சிங்கம், கீரிப்பிள்ளை, குரங்கு, நீர்நாய், சிறுத்தை, எலி, அணில், ஓநாய், மனிதகுரங்கு, நீர்யானை பன்றி முதலை
Learners, I'm going to ask you a few questions to check how well you've learned. Don't forget to share your score in the comments. I'd love to see how you did.
Thank you for watching. Keep learning every day and improve your English with us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more communicative English videos.